Hello. So I opened a package that I had got from Wish, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below, as well as a code that you can use. And when you place your first order with the Wish app, with the link below and the code, you get up to 50% off. So it could be a 20% off coupon, it could be a 50% off coupon, but it's up to 50% off. And when your first order is placed and ships, then I get $2 Wish cash so that I can order some more stuff for the art, for me to pour on and do stuff with. So I'm going to leave that link below. So growing up, my grandma had some of these Russian dolls that I love. And, you know, they stack inside each other, so it's one doll sitting, and then you pull them all out. And they were always painted so beautifully, and I love them. I love to play with them for hours. So I was on Wish, and I found some that were already sanded down, no paint, no nothing. And I said that would be perfect to pour on. So I ordered a set so that I could pour. And I'm not going to pour them right now. They just came in the mail. So I'm showing them to you because I'm going to stack them back in each other so they don't get messed up. I actually had started recording when I was opening the package, and my phone had a little mishap because I haven't got the piece in yet to fix it. I do know what's wrong with the phone now and why that it stops recording and has issues. I will not be able to fix it till the piece comes in the mail. It could be this week, it could be next week. So anyway, I have these really nice wooden Russian dolls that I will be doing soon. I just have to decide how I want to do them. But I'll be doing those soon. And then I also got in some of the bracelets. I thought that I had ordered the necklace ones. I ordered the wrong size. So these are going to be the leather straps for some of my jewelry. And then I got my chain and lobster clasps that I can connect to it and make it the length I want, because I found that a lot of my clients want longer necklaces, and the places I've looked just don't carry the sizes that my clients want. So that's been an issue. So I ordered all of that, and that stuff came in from Wish. I get Wish packages almost every day at this point because I started ordering a couple months ago. And then while I have you here, I had to re-pour on the back of 2 of the bottle openers because when I went to put the clear coat on, I left it on the plastic and it got really hot in here. But anyway, here's the front of the one I didn't have to re-pour on. And you can still see where it says groomsman. She opted to not fill it in with black. We just opted to do the clear coats and let it be nice that way. So this one has 2 coats of clear coat everywhere except the back, which I have to work on the back. I have to sand it down a little more and then clear coat it. There will be at least 2 more coats, possibly also a resin coat before this is ready. But these are really nice bottle openers with wooden handles. So we'll get that one ready, and then this one I also had to re-pour on the back because of the issue. I can tilt it just a little and let you see how awesome the front and sides are, but it's not fully dry on the back yet. So those are looking good. And then we did this one the other day, actually last night, with the Extreme Glitter hologram, a sequin black metallic, and a metallic ice blue. So I love the way the blue and the black worked. The metallics are really nice. The hologram glitter, on honestly, for the most part, looks to be a bluish green instead of like the hologram with all the colors. And I'm wondering if it's because I used blue, and so it's just taking on the closest color of the paint around it, because I feel like it did, when you did the dirty pour, it did get mixed in. But overall, it looks nice. I'll bring you down for a close-up in a minute so that I can make sure the angles are good. But I'm going to sand off the little pieces on the edge here, and then I've covered up the hanger so it wouldn't get messed up. And then I don't know if I'm going to leave this one as is or if I'm going to draw something, paint something on it and use this as the background, or how I'll do. But this was just mainly a test run. I do have another one of the circles that I want to do a test run on, and then I have these dog cutouts that I have holes in, and I normally hook them on my dog crates, and they hang to where this is on the front of the crate so that when I go to dog shows and stuff, people can see the dog's name and everything. And since Caroline passed away, I was thinking about doing a pour on this and adding this to her shadow box that I'm making, either inside or because I have the hooks hanging underneath. So I want to do a pour on this. I am not sure what colors I want to use yet. I'm trying to figure that out. From using these and knowing that the paint will sink down in and you still be able to see the grooves, I know that this etched name will still stand out. So we're going to do that and have a little fun with that. And then I have the trace board from that, and I was thinking about getting one of my canvases or getting a piece of wood and pouring on, and then after I do the pour, laying this down and brushing on glue in the areas of the dog, and then either sprinkling like sand or maybe a glitter, but I don't really care for glitter, so probably a sand, a colored sand. And that way when I move it and it's all dry and I move it and we wipe off the excess, I would have like a raised dog on the canvas. I'm thinking that would be fun. So that's some of my thoughts. And I also kind of went a little crazy and I got this, it's a pin jar, a pin holder, but I was thinking these little lines on the side, these little diamonds, might make a neat pattern. So I was considering trying a pour with that and just pouring into it and letting it seep out the edges and see what it does. So we may try that today or later this week, because I'm always looking for something interesting to pour out of. The funnels worked great, so that was a smart try. Maybe that'll work great, hopefully. We'll see. And very soon, when all of my skin's dry, I will be doing a video on how I make my jewelry. And I know the method that I use is different from methods that other people use, but it's what works best for me and what just works with the quality of the jewelry. So I'm going to bring you down and let you see this. So you can see that's supposed to be the hologram. I still have paint on my hands, blue paint. That's supposed to be the hologram, and you see how it mostly looks like a green or, I don't know, almost a greenish blue. I don't see any of the other colors for the most part. And doing the dirty pour, it did mix in, so I didn't have any of the base showing through, which was nice. But I mean, it gives it a nice, I don't know how to show it with the lighting. It gives the rings a nice little outline, and wherever it is, there's not too much of it out here, but it's mostly centered here. And I'm wondering if it's because maybe it was a little thicker, because I realized after I did it that I had mixed the white paint at a 1-to-1 ratio with Floetrol and paint, and then I just added the glow paint, and I didn't add any extra Floetrol. So there was a lot less Floetrol than what I normally do, because that was another part paint. So I'm wondering if it was so heavy that a lot of it sunk. So we still may do another test on that in the future. But, I mean, all in all, I like it. And we may use it with darker colors instead of a metallic. But all in all, I like it. It shimmers everywhere you turn. So, and it hasn't had any clear coats on it because I need it. It's dry, but I'm still going to, I like that. I'm still going to need it to cure for at least a week before I start clear coating it. So I think that's about it for today. I'll let you know when I do some of these other things. And give me a thumbs up if you like this. If you like any ideals. If you have ideals for different things I can pour through. Or any just crafty things. Because I don't just love to paint. I love to do any kind of craft. And I'm willing to incorporate anything and try anything once. So let me know. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, let all your friends know about me. And when we reach 100 subscribers, we will have an awesome giveaway. I may even throw some jewelry in on the giveaway. So we're going to have a pretty good giveaway. So I hope you like this. I hope you get some ideals from me if you're a fellow artist. Let's share ideals. Let's help each other out. Let's build each other up, because we all need that support from each other.